Meaning of inattentive.
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 Inattentive. Inattentive refers to a lack of attention or focus, often resulting in careless mistakes or an inability to complete tasks effectively. Someone who is inattentive may also have difficulty paying attention to details, following instructions, or remembering important information. Inattentiveness can lead to problems in academic, professional, and personal settings. It is important for individuals who struggle with inattention to seek help and support, as this can negatively impact their daily functioning and overall well-being. Strategies such as mindfulness practices, organizational techniques, and therapy can be helpful in managing inattentiveness.